All right, so this is the S2 reverse kit by SPVparts. Again, it utilizes the Baja Designs S2 lights in sport or pro versions in the wide spreader. So if you want more light, you can get the pro version or you can get the standard sport version. But what's different about this than your traditional Baja Designs light kit is that we also give you the option of that plug and play taillight adapter. That plug and play taillight adapter plugs right in to your factory taillights. You just unplug the factory connector, you plug the adapter in between, it drops down and it will plug into either a short harness that connects to both lights or a full-length harness that will run all the way up to your switches, and you can do both. Control it by the switch and have it automatically come on when in reverse. So these are the lights here. They're off, obviously. Let's go ahead and turn them on real fast and see how they look. All right, so they are now on. You can see what they look like here when flipped on with the switch. Like I said, we also have our taillight adapter plugged in, so we can go ahead and put it in reverse. So let me go ahead and show you that real fast. All right, so I'm in the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the switch now. So the switch is off. All right, so now I'm gonna put my foot on the brake and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in reverse. You'll notice that those lights come on, but you'll also notice that the backup lights in the taillights also come on with that because that's built into the factory. Now when I put this in park and I turn on the switch by itself, you'll notice that the taillights do not come on for the reverse lights in the taillights. So that's because our taillight adapters actually have built-in diodes, so they block backflow current to your factory taillights. So you literally do have the best of both worlds with this kit.